I'm Anil Kumar. Now let us take order of operation with integers having exponents. 6 examples are before you. You can pause the video, answer these questions, and then look into my suggestions. We'll answer them one by one. So let me take up the very first one, which is minus 5 cube minus 5 square. Now when I write minus 5 cube, since the exponent is odd, negative odd times will be negative number, so we'll get a negative number here, and 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, so we get 125. So that is cube of 5. The next number is minus 5 square. Square makes it positive, so we get positive 5 square, which is 25, right? Now we can open this bracket and write this as 125 minus times plus is minus 25. And that gives you a bigger negative number, 150, okay? So that is how you would actually solve such a question. Let's take another example, which is part B. Minus 2 cube minus plus 3 square. Now you could also do like this. Minus 2 cube means minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. And this is negative of plus 3 square. You could write 3 times 3, right? That is plus 3 square. Now 3 negatives will result into a negative. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 3 times 3 is 9. So minus 8 minus 9 gives you minus 70. So you could follow any of these steps, whichever are simpler for you. Let's take up more examples now. Let's see how to solve C, which is minus 3 times 5 minus 7 whole cube minus 2 times minus 3 square. So we could write this as minus 3 times. First simplify the bracket. 5 minus 7 is minus 2 whole cube minus 2 times square of minus 3 is 9. We saw it in the last example. Now minus 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. That is 2 cube, right? So we get 8. Since it is negative number, odd exponent, it is minus 8. Is that clear? So what we did here was minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, which is minus 8. That's what we wrote. Open this bracket. 2 times 9 is 18. So we get minus 18. When you multiply two negatives, you get positive. 3 times 8 is 24. And 24 minus 18 is what we get. Now you can take away 18 from 24. You get 6. So that is the result. Let's do part D now. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. We have minus 2 times minus 5 square. You could write minus 5 times minus 5 if you want. Or directly you could write 25 plus. Here we have 3 times minus 1 square minus 1 times minus 1. Now 3 negatives will give you a negative. 5 times 5 is 25 times 2, 50. We could do like this also. So these are different ways of doing the same thing. Minus minus plus gives you minus. 3 times 1 times 1 is 3. So we get minus 53 as our answer. Correct? So you could do like this. So there are many ways we could approach. We could have done like this also. We could write this as minus 2 times minus 5 squared is 25, right? Positive. Plus 3 times 1, right? 3 times 1. And that gives you minus 50 because this is positive. I'm sorry, we did a mistake here. Minus minus is positive. This should have been positive, right? And so we get minus 47. Now this is what we should get. So minus 50 plus 3, which is minus 47, right? So negative times negative is positive 3. So we get negative 47, correct? The last two examples are before you. You should pause the video, do them yourself. Here is my solution. Square of a negative number is positive, so we get 9 here. Square of negative number is positive, 16. Negative. Square of negative number is positive 4. Correct? Now you combine these two. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. And we'll take away 4, getting 21 as our result. Now in this case, minus 2 times square of a negative number is positive. 3 square is 9. Cube, negative is negative, so we get negative 1. So we get minus 3 times negative 1. Now minus 2 times 9 is minus 18. Minus minus makes it positive 3. Minus 18 plus 3 is minus 15. So that is how it could be solved. So I hope the steps are clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. It is always good practice to check your steps. We did a mistake last time, right? So it's better to check. I hope it helps you to solve these questions. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.